Morning, everybody. Just coming back to you from the quarantine classroom with Mr. Gomez. We're going to continue with some math, taking a whole number and dividing it by a unit fraction, but in word problems. So in preparation for our exit ticket, I'm going to give you two problems today. I'm going to pause the video after the first one and then go into the second one. So let's get right to it. Miss Ruiz is having a party. She has 3 jars of salsa and needs to separate them into thirds. How many bowls will she need to separate the salsa evenly? So we need to look for our total, our equal number of groups, and then our total groups. So the total is 3 jars. You might want to highlight it, underline it, but we know that our total is going to be 3. And then we're looking to separate them into thirds. Well, thirds in the form of a fraction is 1 over 3. And we're looking for the total number of groups. How many thirds will we have? So I'm going to represent this by my 3 holes. So I'm going to do 3 jars. And now I'm going to take my 3 jars and I'm going to cut them into thirds. I'm going to divide them into thirds. So that's 1. That's the second jar. And here's the third jar. Each one of these represents a third. So I have 3 total. With 3 in each, I can just get my total count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I know that if I skip count by 3s, it's 3, 6, 9. Or 3 times 3 is 9. So she will need a total of 9 bowls to separate 3 jars of salsa evenly. Really meaning that 1 jar will take 3 bowls to separate. The second jar will take another 3 bowls. And then the third jar will take another 3 bowls. So 3 divided by 1/3 equals 9. Make sure you're paying attention. Try to get a correlation to the exit ticket. I'm going to pause the video and give you a second example. All right, so our second example. Now everybody has to remember Bippy, right? Bippy has a fat cat. He has 6 cups of cat food left. His cat eats half a cup of food each day. So how many days will he feed his cat before he needs to buy more food? So I'm looking for my total. My total is 6 cups. And I'm dividing it by half. Half as a fraction, right, is going to be 1 over 2. So my total is 6 divided by 1/2 equals my total number of groups. How many separations am I going to have here of the 6 cups? So I can represent it with a picture, and I can draw 6 cups of food. You want to try to make them equal. Now keep in mind, I'm going to cut each one in half. I'm dividing all 6 cups in half. I could label each piece 1/2, or I know I can just count my halves by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Therefore, 6 divided by 1/2 equals 12. And that would make sense. If 1 cup is going to give me 2 days of food, 2 cups is going to give me 4 days of food, 3 cups, 6 days, and so on, until I get a total of 12. So Bippy needs to get himself to the store before he runs out of food, and he has 12 days. So use these examples to help you with your exit ticket today. I hope everybody's doing well and everybody's safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.